Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
And giveaway time. Pretty much we are heading to 32,000 subscribers and I want you to help me get there. I will be giving out a mini PC. This one is the Mini Air 11, featuring reliable performance and ultra compact design. It works well for a wide range of applications such as everyday work, online learning, family use, and more. You'll be able to get one of these if you subscribe to my channel. If you comment below and hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to the GEEKOM YouTube channel as well. I will be checking if you subscribe to my channel and also to GEEKOM, and we will be drawing your names on the comments, so make sure to comment on there. Thanks for being part of this channel. Tell your friends and family, and see you on the next video. Peace.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a